Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
Yeah, you already see what type of time we on. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Sean CB out. You feel we back at it again with another video for y'all. So, as y'all boy can already see, we got the hood off on the Hellcat. So that means y'all finna be hearing some crazy supercharger whine. You feel me? So in today's video, we just gonna be doing like a little highway POV. We're gonna be going crazy on the freeway, you know, cutting up, you know, on my squeeze bend shit, you know, cutting up, you feel me? Going through the little, you know, the little gaps, you feel me? And, you know, we might run the police. No, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't trying to do that. But as you can see, we got the hood off. We got the car all washed up and stuff, you know, looking real clean. We even clean the engine bay, you feel me? The supercharger clean, you know, all this stuff is clean, you know. That's how a real nigga supposed to keep their Hellcat clean. You can't be no dirty ass nigga. Oh. Anywho, we finna go ahead and get into this little POV for y'all boys. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, you feel me? You gotta do it. You don't got no choice but to do it, you feel me? So we can go ahead and get this video out so we can, you know, get some more sponsorships, you know, all that good stuff, you feel me? So make sure y'all boys do that, and we finna go ahead and get behind the wheel. All right, YouTube, so you feel me? Your boy is getting on the freeway so I can get y'all boys some of this good content. One of the downsides is I left my head mount, so a nigga only gonna be able to whip that bit with one hand, so I ain't gonna be able to cut up like I said I was, but you feel me? You know your boy got you some good content. You know I do. Ooh! The track mode something serious. This bitch so stiff. I just gotta make sure that I know what gears I'm in and stuff, you feel me? So I can shift that bitch. That bitch sound crazy. I know y'all hear the exhaust on that bit. Give y'all boy a little downshift. Y'all probably hear a lot of exhaust because I got my rear seats out, you feel me? So that bit sound extra loud on God. Dang, bro. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all boys, I finally got my AC fixed, bro. So now your nigga can be cooling, you feel me? He ain't no more riding around in that bitch sweating, you feel me? That junk, I can't believe I went 2 months without AC. It was just stuff kept happening. I had to work on weekends and stuff, and like, I had to figure out exactly what was wrong with it. And then I had to wait on my part to come in. So, you feel me? Your boy finally got the AC back up and running, so you feel me? We can finally do the POVs on the freeway with the windows closed, and I don't gotta worry about having a heat stroke on phone now. Now let me give y'all boys a little pull. I can't really do too much. Can't do too much, you feel me? I don't got no space. That bitch looking at her rearview mirror in front of me, looking scared and shit. Ain't nobody finna hit you, shorty. I need to get away from that damn dump truck for a rock pop out that bitch and bust my windshield. I be having bad luck with stuff on the freeway. I just had to reroute my front bumper because I had it's like a thick, like trash bag type of bag on the freeway. It's like a big ass trash bag, but it's like, I don't know. That bit was flying in the air, and when I hit it, it left a black, like, what it is? What I'm trying to say, god damn, my speech messed up. It left like a big black scuff like on my bumper and the side of my car. So I had to reroute my front bumper, like part of it, and then I had to, you feel me, wipe the stuff that came off on the side off, because I was able to get that off. It's always something though. We gotta watch out for them state boys too. You know, they be out. Them state boys don't play. They'll chase your ass to another state. Oh God. Like, I've been supposed to got an alignment, but you feel me? I wasn't even able to get no alignment because I've been so busy. I don't know who that bitch thinks she is behind me. She thinks she in the cat. She better chill out with all that. Bro, I need to get out of track mode, but I can't get out of track mode right now because for some reason when I'm clicking on my radio, I can't click on, it's not picking up my, damn! It's not picking up, it's not registering my touch. So I don't know what the hell going on. I'm not gonna lie. And this track suspension is way too stiff, bro. This joint is literally meant for the track on lowering springs. Now, if y'all just got like a little, if y'all don't got lowering springs, y'all don't stock springs, then it ain't gonna be this stiff. But this joint right here feels crazy. No cap. Not gonna lie. Let me see if it works. Damn. See, it ain't picking on my finger. It's always something, bro. This car has been being very mean to me lately. And don't get in the comments talking about I don't take care of my car. Yes, I do. Hey, alright now. I thought they were finna get in my lane. I'm saying, don't start that jump. That's how you get both of us smoked. Oh God. Switch a little lanes a little bit now. We on that 3-lane motherfucker. Oh God. But we still gotta watch out for them state boys. I don't see no police behind me either. So we out to a good start in that bit, no cap. Let's see what we finna do. We finna get between these two niggas right here. What? Yeah. I was finna try to make that, but like I said, I got this damn phone in my hand. I ain't trying to do too much and wipe out on that bit. Y'all ain't gonna be getting no video for a little minute on everything. Then they might sue my ass. That bitch be shifting so hard in track mode. They're going crazy. Let's see. If y'all see the mile per hours on the dash, don't mind that. It's not correct. So don't be trying to, you feel me, act like I'm just a reckless driver. I'm not a reckless driver. I'm probably the best driver in the South, no doubt. Gotta get over one. Oh, the 18-wheeler wanna get over, but we gonna get over again, nigga. We gonna get over again, nigga. Trying to make sure I got the camera angle good. We also got to peep out here to the right side to make sure ain't no state boys on the side of the road. We look good. Cause I'm not pulling over if them state boys get on me. Oh God. Not pulling over. I'm gonna have to, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna have to throw the phone on the floor and lock in, no cap. If y'all know why my radio doing this, let me know that though. You feel me? I might have to get another one. I don't know. If I do get another one, I'm just gonna get the new radio. It's a little bit more high quality. You feel me? And I said I was gonna do that anyway, but I just never got to it. I got tired of spending money. You feel me? gotta get over one more. You feel me? How much gas we use? We doing good on gas. I know you ain't just get in front of me, boy. Nigga, you see me coming down in motherfucking E-way, motherfucker, nigga. I'm the line leader of the E-way. Let's see, we gotta get over one more. Oh yeah, they driving too slow, so we're gonna go around they motherfucking ass. Cause we ain't got time for all that slow ass, turtle ass driving, bitch. You feel me? We on a mission. I don't know what that nigga behind me doing. I know he wasn't trying to go around me. Nigga, you know that shit ain't gonna happen. Oh God. They go to police down now. Somebody must have drove off the freeway. But I'm in good shape, so I'm gonna keep it going. Oh mama. Ew, we just ran into a traffic jam. Good thing that we getting off real soon. And that traffic jam ain't got nothing to do with us. That's none of our business. Hopefully the quality looking real good. Cause I hope that I actually been aiming good with the camera. Because sometimes when you driving, you get carried away and the camera be angled down and y'all niggas be like, oh yeah, I'm finna click off that bit. I ain't finna watch no more. Oh God. Also, let me know some different video ideas y'all boy wanna see, you feel me? You know I got y'all niggas. No cap. Do y'all wanna see some more baddies drive the Hellcat? Y'all want me to give somebody a ride, you feel me? Just let me know. You feel me? Oh! That nigga sound like he got a turbo on this shit. No cap. He probably do though. Some of them Hyundais come with turbos. They still ain't mixed with this supercharger though. But without further ado, y'all, we finna get ready to end the video, y'all. You feel me? Make sure y'all boy like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Even though I couldn't cut up how I wanted to because I ain't have my head mount. You feel me? But like I said, make sure y'all do that. Let me know what other type of videos y'all want to see. And until next time, y'all, I am out. Peace.